We're the best in the world. Not even just in this area. We're the best in the world.
We've been around since 1854 for a reason.
When people start to try to steal business from you, you know you're doing something right.
I came from foreign country, obviously. I came 1980 from Poland, and I always was amazed about the American-made product.
We're not just making wire and cable here, but everything that we need is also coming from the United States.
We like to see things done here, in-house.
Providing that quality, high-quality cable to our customers, that is something that we're really proud of.
Made in the USA is a promise of the highest possible quality.
Lean manufacturing is a very powerful tool. At the end of the day, that lean manufacturing thinking and mentality is only going to allow us to meet our customer expectations, which is the ultimate goal of the business.
By myself, I can do nothing. We have to be working with a group of people.
I did my yellow belt. I'm going through my green belt. A lot of the practices, they work.
Well, we're very lean focused here, we're very lean driven, but the whole idea behind continuous improvement is that you can always be better. So we're always looking for new avenues with which we can improve our processes.
I am fifth generation employee. All the men in our family worked here. We're still doing what they did. So it just means a lot. There's not a day that I wake up that I don't want to come to work.
This is a company that is always growing, but it's not just a business. It's also for the people. This company gives the opportunity for people to dream big and go as far as they want to go.
Working for Kerite really does make me proud because you can work for a company that makes the most cable, but that's not very exciting. What's exciting is working for a company that makes the best cable.
Bolivia is no better company than ours. Maybe the bigger, but no better.
It's like working for Ford or working for Ferrari. It's cool to work for Ford, but it's infinitely better to work for Ferrari.
I power for life.
I power for life.
I power for life.
I power for life.